I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I'm here at the Newport Road crossing on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision in Woodbine, Maryland. And right now I am awaiting an eastbound train, and this is loaded autorack train M216. Now, I've probably mentioned this in a lot of my previous videos, but yeah, M216, as many of you might know, has been working Jessup for a long time, for at least 2 years now, along with M217. Well, about that, when M331 and M214 have started to go all the way to Baltimore, M216 has stopped working Jessup, and M214 has always been working Jessup, and sometimes M331 works Jessup, but M216 no longer works Jessup, which means it can take either the Old Main Line or the Metropolitan and Capital subdivisions. And on this day, it took the Old Main Line. So yeah, this is the first time I'm catching M216 on the Old Main Line in 2 years. If you guys remember, it was January 20th, 2021. And the reason why M216 took the Old Main on that day was because they didn't want trains passing through DC, because they were worried about riots and all that because of the inauguration. But yeah, that was just a rare occurrence. But nowadays, 216 doesn't work Jessup anymore, so it can take the Old Main Line any day. And today it did. So yeah, I don't think the power is anything special on this train, but hey, I'm just glad to see M216 on the Old Main Line again, because it's going to bring back some Old Main Line nostalgia, in my opinion. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and sorry for the long intro, but it is no more, because this is the end of it. And well, without further ado, here comes M216 heading eastbound down the Old Main Line here at Newport Road in Woodbine. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Here it is. Snuck up. That's one interesting horn. I think that's like a K3HA or something like that. I don't know. I've seen that locomotive before, and wow, we already have a DPU. M216, Louisville, Kentucky to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Heading eastbound on the Old Main Line. Yeah. Oh, I see a Conrail autorack. Yeah, these autorack trains used to take the Old Main Line all the time. But starting in 2020, when M216, M217 started working Jessup, that rarely happened. But now 216 does not work Jessup anymore. 217 still does, but hey, at least one of them doesn't. This gives us another train that takes the Old Main Line. Doesn't always. 216 can still go anyway. Like Cap and Met, or Met and Cap, I guess. Like you guys saw with 911 leading back at Point of Rocks, but it can come this way too, and on this day it did. That DPU is very, very close to the front. And is this a Southern Pacific autorack I see? Yep. Good stuff. Long line of autoracks. And I think we have another Conrail coming up. Yes, we do. And there's the N-way back there. M216 on the Old Main Line. Thank you guys for watching, and here from Newport Road crossing the Old Main, Woodbine. This is the Old Main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day.